This is our GPS6-VA5 single-phase over/undervoltage protector. Connect the power input at the top end. Connect the load to the lower end. Power on. Load power on delayed by 5 seconds. The screen displays the current voltage and current. Press the switch to control the on-off function. Press the set key to enter the function menu. Overvoltage, undervoltage, and recovery values can be set. Now the voltage will be reduced. When below the set value, load disconnected. Recovery voltage. The product countdown has begun, 30 seconds left. Time to power on the load. Increase the voltage. When exceeding the set value, load disconnection, recovery voltage. Then enter the recovery delay. Time to power on the load.